Presenting the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include pickup box, wheel side, air cleaner, high capacity, differential, heavy-duty locking rear, four-wheel drive, cooling, external engine oil cooler, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, alternator, 150 amps, frame, fully boxed, hydroform front section, steering, recirculating ball and exhaust, aluminized stainless steel muffler and tailpipe. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.